Today, I'm bringing you a free plugin that solves a problem we've all struggled with in Adobe Premiere and After Effects. We all know how frustrating the speed curve tool can be in Premiere, especially trying to control it. Whenever you drag a keyframe, the curve jumps up and down and just won't stay put. First, click the link in the description, and it will take you to this website. Select Windows. You'll see it's completely free for Windows, but unfortunately, it's a paid tool for Mac users. Just enter 0 for the price, put in any email address, and the plugin will download instantly. Plus, the file size is incredibly small. We launched the program, and we can maximize it like this. In the Listen for Hotkey field, type any character. For example, let's choose Shift. Then we head back to Adobe Premiere. We're going to use this image and add it to the timeline. Click on the video and create a keyframe for both position and scale at the beginning. Next, move ahead a few frames, scale up, and move the image. Then, right-click and select Ease In or Ease Out. This is where we use this amazing free tool. When you open the speed curve menu under Scale and hold down the Shift key, the one we set earlier in the plugin, you'll see that the curve is locked. It won't shake or jump up and down anymore. Just click on the curve's handle, and you can easily drag it left or right, perfectly smooth and error-free, just like you see in the video. And here is the final result. This is going to save you so much time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below.